explain something?
Yeah, we're looking for the Dank Nug Waterfall.
The what?
Dank Nug Waterfall.
Okay, I haven't heard of that before. It's supposed to be a statue or a waterfall?
It's supposed to be like a waterfall.
Huh. It's probably on the outskirts of this town. It's like a climbing
Do you have any updog by any chance?
Hey, Tina. Sheila. Hey, and what was the name of it again?
Dank Nug Waterfall.
Dank Nug Waterfall. Have you heard of that? Is that outside in East Vail? Dank Nug Waterfall? How do you spell it?
D-A-N-K. Dank.
D-A-N-K.
And then Nug, N-U-G.
Okay.
And then Waterfall.
D-A-N-K, N-U-G, Waterfall. Are they called something else? The other ones are called something else? East Vail Falls? Okay.
Somebody just kind of told us about it word of mouth, so I don't even know if
Okay. Yeah, you said it's just word of mouth and stuff, so. Okay. Yeah, no, I'll shoot him a call then. Thanks, bye. Sorry, what were you
Do you have any updog?
Updog.
Yeah.
What's that? Sorry.
I don't know. Someone said that you might have updog.
No, I don't have an updog. There is waterfalls actually on the south frontage road if you go on the outside of town.
Okay.
But I can call Mark, which is my other boss, and see if because he lives over next to East Vail, and see if he.
Is that for you? You guys really don't have any updog?
Hey.
I don't even know what updog is.
You're supposed to ask me what it is.
What is it?
What's updog?
What's up, dog?
There you go.
What's up, dog?
Beautiful.
Yeah, the East
All
Vail
right.
is here. The falls are actually over here. So if you stay, you're here at this information booth. If you stay on the south frontage road, it'll actually come out. It kind of jogs a little bit, and then the falls are like actually you can see them.
Okay.
Once you'll actually go in the interstate, and there's like a campground. There's Two Elk Creek Trail, but you can see them on the right hand side of the road. I mean,
Awesome.
I'm just sure there's probably a small path that goes over to them on that.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. That was
Appreciate it.
Dank Nug Waterfall.
Dank Nug Waterfall.
There you go. You want to take this?
Oh, sure.
I'll give you a map.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
Sure.
it. Oh my God, dude. Woo! That woman did not have a brain. That was hilarious. You gotta see this video.